Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you for joining in. And we are reading this beautiful book, The Courage to be Disliked. And the part that we are going to read tonight is Your Life is Decided Here and Now. Mm, as much as the book cover talks कि courage to be disliked, अभी तक मेरे को कुछ लगा नहीं है कि courage to be disliked की जरूरत होती है. uh, it is only the courage that you need to face who exactly you are, and it is not necessary that people should like you, right? Just the way, the youth is asking questions over questions from the philosopher, and philosopher is very easily and calmly, giving all the answers. So, quickly, let's go get into the book and start reading before Muskan leaves us. Your life is decided here and now. Youth. The courage to be happy. Philosopher.
यूथ यूथ मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ ठीक है. I'll read the philosopher.
हम्म,
Actually, the problem is that this book की जो वो है ना थोड़ी सी मुश्किल टेढ़ी मेढ़ी हो रखी है alignment. Yet let's see if you stop somewhere. I'll read that part. Okay.
The courage to be happy.
Do you need further explanation?
No, hold on. This is getting confusing. First, you tell me that the world is simple, subjective place, that it seems complicated only because of me, and that why view is making is that way that way, and also that life seems complicated just because I make it complicated, all of which is what makes it difficult for me to live happily. Then you say that one should take the stance of teleology as opposed to Freud etiology, that one must not search for causes in one's past and should deny trauma. You say that people act to achieve some goal or other, instead of being creatures who are driven by causes in their past, right?
Yes.
Furthermore, as the major premise of teleology, you say that people can change. The people are always selecting their own lifestyles.
That is correct.
This is so powerful, sometimes we only need validation.
Yes.
And philosopher is only giving validation to so क्योज विच अ यूथ इज टेलिंग कि वो ही अपनी लाइफ सिंपल बना रहा है, वो ही अपनी लाइफ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बना रहा है. एंड यूथ
Because
एंड
the philosopher has already said all of these lines in the past chapters.
वन न्यू सोल हैज joined.
Hello, Komal. Thank you for joining in.
Youth says, so I am unable to change because I myself keep repeatedly making the decision not to change. I do not have enough courage to choose a new lifestyle. In other words, I do not have enough courage to be happy. And that's why I am unhappy. Have I got anything wrong?
No, you haven't.
Wow, the role of philosopher is so powerful. Only giving validations, and this is giving validation is such a
Yes.
big thing that कोई आपको जैसे आप हो वैसे आपको पसंद कर रहा है. Somebody is saying you, yes, you are thinking, I want to share one experience with the same thought. One day in ICU, there was a female whose little baby who was 9 month old was born stillbirth, and she was 27 years old, and she after giving through c-section baby was born, and after that she came to ICU, and she was in so much trauma inside her heart that her hemoglobin also dropped down, and she said कि उसको ब्लड चढ़ाना पड़ा बिकॉज खून कम हो गया था. एंड जब ब्लड चढ़ाए थे तो शी वॉज सो ट्रामाटाइज, शी वॉज सेइंग मेरा खून निकाल रहे हो आप लोग. शी स्टार्टेड स्कोल्डिंग नर्सेज लाइक नथिंग एल्स. मतलब वो कि तुम ये हो, तुम वो है। एंड ऑल नर्सेज वर कमिंग इनसाइड द डॉक्टर्स रूम कि वो पेशेंट ऐसे कर रहा है, बाकी पेशेंट्स भी तंग हो रहे हैं। तो I was a little child. I never behaved like a doctor in front of patients. I'm always like a, because baby heals, बेबी हील्स। तो उनकी स्माइल भी हील करती है, उनके उनका पास रहना भी हील करता है। तो दे यूज टू से कि वो खून ले रहे हैं, तो उनको ना वो पूरा पर्दा लगा दिया कि उनको वो पूरा ब्लड ना दिखे। एंड आई यूज टू जस्ट गो एंड आई यूज टू हग हर एंड आई यूज टू किस हर ऑन द हैंड। आई यूज टू टेल हर कि व्हेन यू विल कम आउट ना, व्हेन यू विल वियर साड़ी एंड जैसे आप पहले मेकअप करते थे, यू विल लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड आई कांट वेट टू सी यू लाइक दैट। एंड मेरे को ना नर्सेज रोकते होते थे कि आपको नहीं जाना उनके पास, डू यू नो कि वो कितने गलत बैकग्राउंड से आए हुए हैं। मतलब वहां पर ना गांव से भी लोग आते होते थे, जो बिल्कुल ही मतलब जो रोड्स मतलब रहते हैं ऐसे करके, क्योंकि फ्री में ट्रीटमेंट्स होते थे ज्यादातर। बहुत कम पैसों में वहां पे ट्रीटमेंट होता था। तो दे यूज टू से मी कि ज्यादा चिपको नहीं।
हम्म।
एंड आई यूज टू फील लाइक I was carrying some pain inside, and the patients used to heal me a lot. ICU is a place for my healings. I used to feel that. And I used to just talk to her. She used to say, नर्स की आंख पे ना यहाँ पर मच्छर बैठा हुआ है। मैंने कहा हाँ, मुझे भी दिख रहा है। शी यूज टू से, यहाँ पे ना सब नर्सेज मुझे पागल बुलाते हैं। क्या सच्ची में आपको मच्छर दिख रहा है? एक्चुअली मच्छर नहीं था।
हम्म।
मैंने कहा हाँ, मुझे भी दिख रहा है। कौन बुलाता है? अभी पिटाई करते हैं उनकी। तो कितने ये वाली नजर आती। मैंने कहा इधर आओ। और मैंने दे ऐसे हाथ पे हाथ नहीं मारते जैसे करते, मैंने ऐसे ही बोला। और वो हंसने लग गए। फिर ना उन्होंने हॉस्पिटल का खाना कितने दिनों से नहीं खाया था, तो उनको बाहर का खाना लाकर खिलाया। तो तब भी नर्सेज ने मेरे को डांट दिया कि अलाउड नहीं है, आपने क्यों खिला दिया। और डॉक्टर्स को जाके शिकायत कर दी, बट डॉक्टर्स वर लाइक कि अगर पेशेंट ठीक हो रहा है ना, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, क्योंकि मेरी भी ड्यूटी थी वहां पे एज अ डॉक्टर ही। तो फिर मैं जो किट होती थी ना नर्स वाली, मतलब नर्सिंग किट, उसमें सारा सामान होता था, ऑयल, तेल एंड मॉइस्चराइजर। तो मैं मॉइस्चराइजर ना लगाती होती थी ताकि सेंसेस अवेकन हो, वो
हम्म।
प्यार मिले। एंड विद टाइम वहाँ पे ना उनको भालू दिखते थे, उनको ये दिखता था कोई उनको मार रहा है। एंड कोई उनका CSF सैंपल लेके ये देखना चाहते थे कि क्या बैक्टीरिया, क्या वायरस, क्या मतलब प्रोटोजोआ है उनके CSF में, जिसकी वजह से उनको ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है। बिकॉज दिस इज वन टेस्ट जो होता है, और वो लंबर पंचर का टेस्ट इज वेरी पेनफुल। पूरा मतलब अंदर तक सुई जाकर वो निकलता है। तो आई यूज टू वैलिडेशन देते 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 उनका ग्लास को कोमा स्कोर बढ़ गया, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि पेशेंट का न्यूरो इज गुड।
हम्म।
आई यूज टू मतलब लव हर, आई यूज टू पैम्पर हर, आई यूज टू check GCS every day, night में and day में. And what happened? She went from the ICU happily without CSF test. डॉक्टर्स जो बिग बिग डॉक्टर्स हैं, जो HODs थे ICU के, दे केम, दे आस्क्ड कि कैसे ठीक हो गई। एंड आई यूज टू रिकॉर्ड हर वीडियोस। एंड मैंने उनको डे 1 दिन ऐसे ऐसे रिपोर्ट सिखाई। एंड इट वाज जस्ट दैट द वैलिडेशन
हम्म।
हैज हील्ड हर। इट ये बहुत सिंपल लग रहा होगा सुनने में अभी कि, बट ये उनके जीवन में बहुत बड़ी कहानी थी, बिकॉज उनके पास वो CSF का टेस्ट कराने के लिए मनी नहीं थी। उनकी मदर, मुझे जब मैं चाय लेने कैंटीन में जाती, शी होल्डेड माई हैंड कि अंदर मुझे मिला दो दोबारा से, उनकी मदर। एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है चलो अंदर, विदाउट टाइमिंग आई, मैं उनको मिला के लेकर आ गई। देन आई जस्ट आज कि व्हाट इज द स्टोरी। तो वो जो भी मुझे उन्होंने स्टोरी सुनाई ना, देन आई डोंट नो, गॉड्स हैंड is on my head, and it was magical. Even I started crying seeing that magic. ये क्या जादू था, ये क्या
वाह।
जादू था, एंड कैसे परमात्मा ने यूज किया था। सो इट वाज, वैलिडेशन इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट। इफ somebody is saying कि ऐसा है, यस ऐसा ही है, और बाद में वी कैन चेंज देम, बाद में वी कैन से, बिकॉज वो वन टाइम वैलिडेशन इज फॉर सेल्फ लव।
एब्सोल्युटली। हम छोटे बच्चों के साथ भी तो यही करते हैं ना कि हाँ, पहले उनकी हाँ में हाँ मिला देते हैं, फिर उनको समझाते हैं कि बेटा ये ऐसे करोगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा। अदरवाइज छोटा बच्चा भी हमारी नहीं सुनेगा। तो जस्ट इमेजिन कि बड़े तो बड़े ही है ना, व्हाई विल दे लिसन टू यू। Such a beautiful experience. Wow.
What was that magic Muskan is talking about in the end? मतलब they got cured something.
हाँ, शी वो उनको भालू दिखना बंद हो गया था, उनको नर्स की आंख पे नाक पे मच्छर दिखना बंद हो गया था। शी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू हर फैमिली, शी स्टार्ट रिकॉग्नाइजिंग हर मदर, उनका हीमोग्लोबिन बढ़ गया था। शी स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज मेडिसिन से ज्यादा उनको सिर्फ वैलिडेशन चाहिए थी कि हाँ भालू भी दौड़ रहा है, मच्छर भी दिख रहा है, सब कुछ।
Wow, such
एंड
a
दिस इज अ स्टेट विच इज कॉल्ड एज आईसीयू डिलीरियम।
hmm.
मतलब आईसीयू में आकर पेशेंट बेहोश हालत में आता है, उसे नहीं पता होता कि ट्यूबें डली हुई हैं, नाक में भी ट्यूब डली होती है, नीचे यूरिन के लिए भी पाइप डला होता है, हाथों में भी इतने सारे कैनुला डले होते हैं। मतलब आते ही दिस इज अ रूल कि 2 कैनुला लगे होने चाहिए 18 गॉज के। एंड जब वो इतना सब कुछ देखता है अपने ऊपर लगा हुआ, वो कहता है ये क्या मेरे साथ, ऊपर से खून की बोतल भी चल रही है, मैंने ऐसा कौन सा तो वो एकदम पेशेंट हैरान हो जाता है, तो वो स्टेट में चला जाता है।
That's so amazing thing. मतलब love, compassion worked.
हाँ, मेन
Care, love, compassion.
वैलिडेशन, हाँ, एम्पैथी ऑल्सो, वॉकिंग इन हर शूज।
Yeah, anything which she required basically worked. We can say
Actually,
something. Some of yeah.
psychological level पे she was actually seeking that love. She was
Hmm.
seeking that validation. She was seeking that support, maybe.
Yeah.
She was seeking those
And you know,
hugs.
it take years. I don't want to tell my story, but there are few things which I seek,
Yeah.
which we seek. So some will have only minor parts, and some will have major parts they want to seek and heal. So for me, something is there which even I may not know, but
Hmm.
I'm always going to my mother and saying something, and she would be, I'm busy or something. So I'm recognizing that you are seeking validation of some time. Why do you always go?
Hmm.
But because we get so connected, mother and father, we get so connected. It's like same souls. I don't know what to say. Matlab you don't even realize when you are just with them. Suddenly you would go to their room and start talking, and maybe they don't want that moment. So something I have no idea that why I would do it and why she would reject it all the time. Komal, kitchen में काम हो रहा है ना, go out. And with other people, with society, she's very loving. Same. So we don't know. Even when I'm annoyed by some other thing, she won't be the right person to. Maybe I've taken her energies actually, because I was the one who was like protecting her so many years. Opposite, I was being mother of her, so it's opposite. How can she now take the other role? Because she
Hmm.
herself was in some thing,
Hmm.
some pain or difficulties where I was playing a mother role, like fighting against my dad or something. Yeah, I don't want to be loud enough. But yeah, the thing was, I was playing that role to protect her, where I
Hmm.
was feeling that maybe she's being dominated. But in her view, it was she had taken that role. She wanted that role, but later on I recognized it was not my duty and why I did it. My mom is not doing the same thing when I'm getting hurt by dad. Now if it is my turn to get hurt, and mom should be protecting me if I was protecting her. See, but she wouldn't be there. Because she is obedient wife.
Yes.
Also, so crazy things I discuss with my mentor and teacher all the time. So she's like, she has to obey. She is that wife. So you have to think about your focus and things and yeah. Hmm. So when I would fight, and dad has got a picture that I was a lawyer for them all the time. So
It's the same for my youngest daughter. The eldest one is very, grounded. She's very polite. The middle one is okay. She will not zabardasti ghusofy in any talks. And this youngest one, she stands like she is my bodyguard.
no, I'm
मम्मी
youngest
को
one.
बोला
I'm also
कैसे
youngest. I'm also youngest.
मम्मी को बोला कैसे तेज वॉल्यूम में कैसे बोला एंड माय हस्बैंड इज लाइक टॉक टू हर शी हैज सम प्रॉब्लम विद मी I don't know why she talks to me like this. I'm like,
And this goes on till now. Till now, I don't know that differences has come between dad and me. Like I'm bodyguard. Literally same. Youngest one, brother didn't have problem. They moved on. Sister didn't have problem. I'm still blaming. You could have made me independent. This, that. I've already shared so many times the story. So I don't know why I was a bodyguard.
I get you. I understand you, Komal. And
Maybe
I
we
know,
have so much of deep love for our mother, it can be, or some connection. We want her strong. I want strong image of my mom, but I have to make my own strong image. Why I want for her?
yes.
But Karishma, I got the same thing testing it for my husband. But I used to challenge her, na? That same challenges I got as a wife. Okay, now do it. God
Mm.
is saying, now prove it if you want to, or will you be the balance between how to obey and how to even
To
balance
put
it out?
the boundaries.
Totally, I've also got the same condition, same things somehow. Yeah, looks like.
Wow.
For this, the beautiful thing is sometimes the love is letting others be in their own battles. This is the powerful form of love. It might seem कि बेकार है कि किसी को battles में छोड़ना, but we can. I have observed this when I see something fighting with their own mind and heart or with somebody else. I play a very detached role.
Mm.
I kind of don't gussify in between. I was one before कि खुद ही जाकर खुद ही बचाना, बट लेटर ऑन मेरे को ही थप्पड़ पड़ जाते थे.
Yes. That is what happens. I
एंड
I
आई
really
वाज शॉक्ड.
You have got your lesson then. You have already learned it. Muskan has reached another. Like you have learned it. I took years to learn it, but you have learned it.
yes. Hello, Anshika. Thank you for joining in.
Hi, good evening. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. I keep on telling my daughter as well, this is not a battle for you. Choose better battles.
Yes, amazing one-liner. And I'm really happy for Muskan, the story she shared, how she was able to play that role of helping someone. Because I myself, why I was sharing, because I would love if I could, like that woman, how she was helped in the that stage, hospital or something. So sometimes we also have some symptoms, maybe we want to heal, but we don't know how to. So I was happy because same things would happen with me, like Muskan was saying, because our mind just wants to give us some pictures or something to distract the real reason behind. So I don't know, like the way I was sharing, putting this in inner child play or something.
Mm.
So small things like OCD play, that child would start playing. So, but that is just a mind play. I can understand it means. So for that woman, how she was cured with the love and compassion. Maybe I'm seeking
And my
the
dad
opposite.
always tells me any medicine, and love is the medicine of any problem in life. You keep loving the person sitting in front of you. And that's why I keep saying, I always, somebody tells me, I'm sorry, I could not be there. My only words are, I operate from a space of love and understanding. It's all right. Because that is one thing that people want the most are getting the least.
Powerful. It touched my heart.
Should
And
have.
the same thing I was talking to myself in the evening. अकेले बैठ के खुद से ही यही बात कर रही थी जो भी आपने बोली.
Two liners were shared. They were very amazing. What was this, Karishma? I want to write it down. They love is the want the most, but
They everybody wants the love the most, and they get it the least.
And the one
मेरा
who
भी मुंह
gets
से
the
ऐसे ही
least,
निकला था,
they give
ऐसे.
the most.
Yes,
And the one who gets the least, they give the most with
maybe.
heart of abundance.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, because they are getting it from some other source. Their cup is full because you cannot give anything that you do not have.
Self love. I say to me that my cup is always full. The water that is overflowing, that is for the world, but my cup is always full. I cannot uh, उसके साथ मैं नहीं कुछ कर सकती. What we say, उस word को क्या बोलते हैं? एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकती. वो एक मूवी नहीं है जिसके ऊपर ऐसे क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा होता है, उस वर्ड का नाम क्या है? इस वर्ड का जस्ट फॉर सम कॉमेडी. ज्यादा सीरियस हो गए थे हम.
All right, let's go ahead. Muskan, are you reading?
Youth says, okay, in that case, my question is, what are the real measures I should take? What do I need to change my life?
What do I
I
need to do to change my life?
What do I need to change my life? You haven't explained all that yet.
Philosopher, you are right. What you should do now is make a decision to stop your current lifestyle. For instance, earlier you said, if only I could be someone like Y, I would be happy. As long as you live that way, in the realm of possibility of if only such and such were the case, you will never be able to change. Because saying, if only I could be like Y, is an excuse to yourself for not changing. So we have already, we all know, जब भी हम अपनी किसी भी बात के लिए कंडीशन डाल देते हैं कि अगर ये होगा तभी मैं खुश होंगी, अगर ये होगा तो ही मैं सक्सेसफुल होंगी, अगर ये होगा तो ही मैं XYZ, right? So we are stopping to experience such things, right? All right.
An excuse not to change?
An excuse not to change. Philosopher, yes. I have a young friend who dreams of becoming a novelist, but who never seems to be able to complete his work. According to him, his job keeps him too busy and he can never find enough time to write novels. And that's why he can't complete work and enter it for a writing awards. But is that the real reason? No. It's actually that he wants to leave the possibility of I can do it if I try open, but not committing to anything. He doesn't want to expose his work to criticism. And he certainly doesn't want to face the reality that he might produce an inferior piece of writing and face rejection. He wants to live inside that realm of possibilities where he can say that he could do it if he only had the time, or that he could write if he just had the proper environment, and that he really does have the talent for it. In another 5 or 10 years, he will probably start using other excuse like, I'm not young anymore, or I have got the family to think about now.
No.
कुछ यहाँ पे घपला हुआ है ना. The youth says, I can relate all too well to how he must feel. Philosopher, he should just enter his writing for an award. And if he gets rejected, so be it. If he did, he might grow or discover that he should pursue something different. Either way, he would be able to move on. That is what changing your current lifestyle is about. He won't get anywhere by not submitting anything. The youth says, but maybe his dream will be shattered. Philosopher, well, I wonder, having simple tasks, things that should be done, while continually coming up with various reasons why one can't do them sounds like a hard way to live, doesn't it? So in the case of my friend who dreams of becoming a novelist, it is clearly the I or the self is making life complicated and too difficult to live happily. Youth, But that's harsh. Your philosophy is too tough. Philosopher. Indeed, it is strong medicine. Youth. Strong medicine? Yes, I agree. Philosopher. But if you change your lifestyle, the way of giving meaning to the world and yourself, then both your way of enacting with the world and your behavior will have a change as well. Do not forget this point. One will have to change. You, just as you are, have to choose your lifestyle. It might seem hard, but it is really quite simple. Youth. According to you, there is no such thing as trauma, and environment doesn't matter either. It's all just baggage, and my unhappiness is my own fault, right? I am starting to feel I am being criticized for everything I have ever been and done. Philosopher. No, you are not being criticized. Rather, as Adler's teleology tells us, no matter what occurred in your life up to this point, it should have no bearing at all on how you live from now on. That you, living in here and now, are the one who determines your own life. So we should stop, thinking कि पास्ट में ये हुआ है इसलिए आगे भी यही होने वाला है. That is not how things work.
In this, I kind of use NLP tool anchoring
Mm-hmm.
to protect myself.
And how do you do that?
For example, in my past, if I was for the first thing, how I do this is I am super conscious of my company. I kind of reject people very fast who are letting me go कुछ go down like kind of जो खुद ऊपर उठने के लिए मुझे नीचे गिर रहे हैं मुझे उन लोगों के बीच में नहीं रहना बिकॉज मेरा एक इंटेंशन हमेशा रहता है कि ऊपर उठाओ एंड ऊपर उठाते उठाते अगर मैं नीचे गिर रही हूँ वहाँ फायदा नहीं है रहने का. And second thing which I because in my medical journey I have seen this when I was with good friends. My journey was going like this. Siddha upar. And when I was with kind of average and below average friends, my journey was like this. सिर्फ मैं ही अपने आप को उठने तो आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट गो लाइक दिस बिटवीन राइट सेट्स ऑफ पीपल एंड फॉर दिस आई यूज पावर ऑफ मनी वेरी कॉन्शियसली बिकॉज मेरे पास और कुछ है नहीं. जो है आई यूज इट. The second thing is for how I use anchoring tool is in anchoring there we use role models. There's one presupposition if one can become anyone can become, and I choose role models and I kind of just see them what they are doing how they are doing, and once we are having one role model in our life or I have so many and I keep on using it in spiritual life I'm having in my medical life I'm having in my business life I'm having. I know because I'm having anchors I am safe. I am safe because safety first. अगर हम खुद को सेफ नहीं रखेंगे तो हम दूसरों को कैसे सेफ रखेंगे. सो सेफ्टी फर्स्ट.
वो कहते हैं ना कि क्रैश होने लगे तो पहले अपना मास्क लगाओ फिर दूसरे का मास्क लगाओ. क्यों?
यस ऑक्सीजन मास्क थ्योरी.
Yes.
दिस इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज जब तक हम खुद ही नहीं ब्रीथ कर पाएंगे तब हम दूसरों को कैसे. इवन दिस बुक रीडिंग क्लब इज अ ब्रीदिंग सेंटर.
वाह वाह.
People come and they kind of tell their so जो दबी हुई बातें होती हैं जो कहीं नहीं एक्सप्रेस की होती they kind of tell so easily so effortlessly here. They kind of feel seen heard and appreciated.
Thank
What
you.
was that power of money? I didn't understand that thing.
That was the power of what?
Money.
मुस्कान बताइए.
For example, Karishma ma'am went to MMI. That was power of money. In between right sets of people, yeah.
Hmm.
That is a lot of things would be power of lot of things. Then it is not only money. Many things, many factors will combine to do anything. Her dedication, determination, her family support, her discipline, and courage to go there. Fears, removing fears, and seventh would be power of money. If Komal is having money, but if suppose my fears stop me to do this and that, and if I'll have to work on all the things first. Yeah,
You are right.
It takes
Self-love.
courage. It actually takes courage.
courage. Yeah. Karishma, Karishma or anyone or even anyone can see. Not everyone who is having money will be doing such things. Or even you will see those who are not having money, they will also reach that. Also, MMI, many people will reach.
Yeah.
They will turn the heads, turn the game, and they will reach there.
I just know one thing. If someone loves them, they help in loving others too. And they love their dreams so much that they take 100% responsibility to bring that in reality. किसी के पीछे नहीं जाते, वो सिर्फ अपने को प्यार करते हैं और अपने सपने को प्यार करते हैं और वो ही अपने सपने को साकार करके भी दिखाते हैं. सो इट इज ऑल द पावर ऑफ सेल्फ लव. जहाँ से करेज जा रहा है, इट इज द फाउंडेशन फॉर मैनिफेस्टेशंस. जो कौन बैठ के स्क्रिबल करेगा 3-3 4-4 घंटे, जो खुद से प्यार करता हो. नहीं तो लोग छोड़ देते हैं लिखना.
I also feel I've been working on such things from a long time and I love and enjoy doing it. I have no idea. I can even stop my job. I can even stop Karishma Note or if I've shared with you. When I stop a lot of things, I'll, the family will think that I'm taking granted. I will take their resources and I'll just spend time on self-development. It has happened 2 times in my life. Um, uh, like 2012 also when I left my corporate job, then also it was this journey going on, but I want to balance it. When I'm doing these spiritual things and I'll be totally into this and not doing other things. Now again from 2 3 years I love doing all these activities, dance. 4 p.m. was my dance class, morning was like Vikas sir class, and then this and then other thing, and all the totally I'll be into self work. Maybe I love it. I'll just know afterwards what I was doing and maybe to know
There
more.
is no act. There is no act that will ever happen by chance. There is always some divine story which you will
From
get.
divine. I feel it must be divine story. Sometimes I also did not know why you are jumping in and exploring so many things. Yeah, there can be a reason. Definitely. It's see if somebody is facing some difficult time, they may go into many other sectors. It's not everybody will come into self-development.
Today I was thinking about it because I am also in many things. मेरे भी एमडी की पढ़ाई है, जिसका मुझे पेपर देना है 15 जून को. मेरी स्पिरिचुअल पढ़ाई चलती रहती है, जिसमें देर आर डिफरेंट बुक्स. मेरी पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट की पढ़ाई चलती रहती है, मेरी बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट की पढ़ाई चलती रहती है. एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाट एक डायरेक्शन पे आ जाऊँ उसका. एंड देन आई थिंक दैट देर इज अ सीड and a stem and there are branches, multiple branches, and I feel like I am that tree. Later on I think ये सारा एक ही हो जाएगा, because in I am having powerful mission in business, which is spiritual mission, and personal development में inner work है. In career also, spiritual is also inner work, and in career also I am choosing psychiatry field in future to do. Depends upon the destiny, also on my hard work, which I am going to do. 15 जून को मेरा एग्जाम है फिर से. So वो सारा एक ही stream हो जाएगा.
When I was facing this
Chalo.
dilemma, this same dilemma, when I was facing that why you are spending so much and the confusion I was going through past 3 months, I was telling my mentor, but then what answer I gave myself was a ninth grade child or eighth grader. He also does a lot of activities. He will be playing badminton, another sports, studying geography, and this and that. So I was settled with this answer.
Yes.
So what if why you are saying I'm in confusion and I'm taking too many teachers? So what? You can do, you can manage. Then
Yes.
that brought peace in me. So that's a good answer. Same way you are also loving to do four things. So
Mm.
what? Even a child today, these days, we are giving to a child also. They are child, not teenage, like 17.
And Karishma ma'am has opened up the secret also.
ये क्या
Mm,
बोला मैंने?
that there is divine plan if we are going in the multiple fields, because sometimes we are not going for our own self, sometimes we are going for God's creation.
You know,
And
you don't know now what kind of a client is going to end up at your, Zoom call, and you don't know what is the solution, what is that one sentence that you're going to give to them, and it's going to transform their life like that. We
just
don't.
like mine life transformed once you told about how to win ego. दैट सेव सॉरी, हमने सेशन में 1 घंटा हमने उसके बारे में बात करी एंड जब सब चले गए वी बोथ वर ओनली एंड देन इट रिजॉल्व लाइक दिस. इट वाज सो पावरफुल कि कई बार मतलब वो आज भी एग्जाम्पल मेरे अंदर गूंजता है.
वंडरफुल. चलो आगे पढ़े. कन्याओं. All right. The youth says, my life is determined at this exact point. Philosopher, yes, because the past does not exist. Youth, all right. Well, I don't agree with your theories 100%. There are many points I'm not convinced about, and that I would argue against. At the same time, your theories are worth further consideration, and I'm definitely interested in learning more about Adlerian psychology. I think I have had enough for tonight, but I hope you won't mind if I come again next week. If I don't take a break, I think my head might burst. Philosopher, I'm sure you need some time on your own to think things over. I'm always here, so you can visit whenever you like. I enjoyed it. Thank you. Let's talk again. Youth. Great. One last thing, if I may. Our discussion today was long and got pretty intense. And I guess I spoke rather rudely. For that, I would like to apologize. Philosopher, don't worry about it. You should read Plato's dialogues. The conduct and language of the disciples of Socrates are surprisingly loose. That's the way a dialogue is supposed to be. And here we end uh, the first night. So अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा था, that was about the first night when this youth goes to the, this philosopher. जैसे हम लोग वो वाली बुक पढ़ रहे थे ना अभी थोड़े दिन पहले, Tuesdays with Muri. This book is reminding me of that kind of a scenario. कि
One best thing I have taken from Tuesday with Mori,
hmm,
and that was the power of letting go.
the power of letting go, and I think death in itself uh,
बहुत deep थी वो book.
was a big balbon. How you can actually have, cremation ceremony live. At least you should know what people.
First time, sorry.
You would get to understand what people want to communicate to you. तो भाई डेथ के बाद तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा बेचारे कितनी तारीफें करके चले गए. पहले ही सुन लो ना बुला के.
So, previous month you had read Mountain is You at 10 p.m. and Tuesdays with Maury afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah. And now it is afternoon. Eat the frog, and this one, Courage to be Disliked, and we can say Subconscious
Yes.
Power of Subconscious Mind. Lovely books. I've just sent this Mountain is You to my like Jijo sister
Wow.
as a birthday gift, because I love to send books now for birthdays because
आज मैंने अपनी मम्मी के घर में 5 बुक्स भेजी हैं for my brother to read.
yes, same thing I'm doing since last year. First, I used to in beauty and such
ऑल्सो
products.
वांट
Now
टू
it
शेयर
is
बुक्स के
yeah.
बारे में। मेरे साथ यहाँ पर स्पिरिचुअल ग्रुप आया हुआ है पूरा, एंड मैंने तो यहाँ की सारी लाइब्रेरी खरीद ली थी, सॉरी, लिटरली मैं अपने साथ घर पे लेके गई थी, एंड शी टो आस्क्ड मी मैं कौन सी खरीदूं, एंड यू नो आई आई लेफ्ट द इंटेंशन सबकॉन्शियसली कि सारी खरीद लो, एंड आई सेड टू हर बी विद बुक्स, आई एम गोइंग, अकेले रहो, एंड यू नो व्हेन शी केम टू द हॉल, मेडिटेशन हॉल, शी सेड इधर आओ, लाइक यस मैंने सारी खरीद ली, यार लाइक बल्ले बल्ले।
What की सारी बुक्स ले ली?
यू नो बिकॉज हाँ सारी खरीद ली, एंड यू नो वंस जो जो बुक से प्यार करते हैं ना, दे आर नेवर अलोन, they the depth they carry inside themselves, the flexibility they carry inside.
Problem with me is I buy books but do not read them. So it is now I was stopping myself to buy more till the time I read. I
Wow.
don't want them just for for display.
So do you
No.
have any of these books that we are reading?
That is there, subconscious mind.
Okay.
Power of subconscious mind, that is there. Now mom is reading 5 a.m. Club,
Hmm.
and another one is Do It Today.
Huh.
This is there. So many are there. Mindset is there at home, another home. So there's like on my bed, so many are there, but like 10 which I have not picked a page, even turned a page. So 10 new one. Maybe I would just order five, then next five, then next five. So I have not read them. Only book I had read was Power of Subconscious Mind, which I completed line to line.
Wow.
मेरे को बुक्स का पता है कैसे शौक चढ़ा था, मैं ना जब एमबीबीएस कर रही थी ना, मैं ट्रेन से घर आती थी,
Hmm.
मेरी ट्रेन हमेशा, मैं जल्दी आ जाती थी रेलवे स्टेशन पे।
Best time to
अब
read.
क्या करो, वहां पे बुक स्टोर होता था।
Best time to
आई
read
यूज्ड
when
टू
you
कैरी
travel.
वन बुक, मेरे को पढ़नी भी नहीं होती थी ना, मैं तभी खरीद लेती थी। मैंने कहा मुस्कान 2 लाइनें भी तू पढ़ लेगी ना, मजा आ जाएगा, बस ले ले। एंड यू नो एवरी टाइम आई यूज्ड टू कम होम, माय मदर वाज लाइक फिर से।
Now we are planning, we don't have TV in this house, so books can be good friends.
पावरफुल,
Yeah, we
एक्सट्रीमली
won't have
पावरफुल।
TV. And
अंशिका इज लाइक यहाँ पे आज अलग ही किस्म का माहौल सेट है।
you're not even reading. Totally.
This is also fun, right? Why is the biggest reason of us being together? So we all have some, like, love in the corner of our heart. That's the reason we are here for book reading.
Yes.
So definitely book is an integral part of us. I just wanted to say lovely listening to you guys, but now I have to sign off. Like you guys carry on.
अच्छा रुको तो सही अंशिका, did you hear
Yeah,
the
yeah.
chapter while I was reading?
Oh yes, I was
What was
listening.
that
Yeah, I was
one?
driving actually, and it felt so weird, like keeping my camera and then having all the moments. So I like just kept my camera off.
Acha, what is that one bulb on moment from this chapter that you found immensely insightful?
Like I will say in a different word, but this is what I took from the all the reading we did for this part of the book is like like one of my tutor used to say, "करने के 100 बहाने नहीं करने के 101." So if you want to do, you will find 100 reasons to do it, and if you don't want to do it, you will find 101 reasons to do it. And this is what I felt from this book. It's all about choice. So what choice are you making? Are you wanting to be happy or you want to be unhappy? Are you like, do you want to, like, all that happening around you environmentally, internally, is your choice. Like you want, you will have it. If you don't want, you will have it that way as well. So
Yes.
that's one takeaway for me.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You are
Thank
not in India right now?
No.
No, I'm not in India. Yeah,
At what place?
I am in California right now. So it's beautiful morning right now here, and I came to pick up something from store. So I'm like, yeah, out of my home.
Powerful.
Wonderful. Thank you, Anshika. Thank you.
Happy morning.
Have a wonderful day.
Powerful
Wonderful
morning.
day.
Thank you. Yeah, wonderful day. Today I have like today our Fridays just started, so for me it's a lot of Friday work.
Hmm.
You
So,
wanna see how it is here?
yes, दिखाओ दिखाओ.
Pretty much like Bangalore, like right now where I am. So like I came to a store called Target. So if you have read the book Habits, there is an entire behavior thing about this store. Okay,
अच्छा.
let me show you.
Atomic Habits by James Clear.
The Atomic Habits, and
Yes.
there is another
No, 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 no.
no,
Not that one. Habits.
habits alag
Carl's.
se. हाँ,
Yeah. So this is parking. Beautiful sun out there. We
हाँ,
have no leaves right now. All yellow leaves gone now. So yeah, this is right where I am.
yes, great.
Okay then.
Chalo. Thank you for showing around as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Thank you.
Lovely
Beautiful
night.
sky. Blue sky.
Yes, blue
Amazing.
sky.
Yeah. Have a great
Sky
time.
is always beautiful here. Like always beautiful.
Wow.
Yes. Enjoy.
Okay.
Great time.
Bye.
Bye bye.
All right. और
I
बताओ.
was just noting down all the names of books next for me.
This one, The Atomic Habit is a very good book. Habits and Atomic Habits almost has the same content. I have both the books.
We can read the next after finishing any of these three.
हाँ, बड़ी बुक है, रात को लेंगे.
Okay.
Atomic Habits. I
And the weekdays you are able to cover more because 5 days are there, so you can take on weekdays, you're saying.
yes.
It has so beautiful laws. Atomic Habits में सारे discipline के laws हैं. Goldilocks rule, habit stacking.
Yes. And habit stacking is one that we use the most. कि ठीक है भाई, ये तो चल रहा है, इसके साथ साथ ये भी चला लो साथ.
जो मेरे को
You will
पावर मिली थी ना, वो गोल्डीलॉक्स रूल से मिली थी. Because मेरी हैबिट्स वहीं से बिल्ड हुई थी. There is some beautiful diagram in that book. ऐसे
Have you
करके
read
पहाड़ी
Power
से
of
मिली.
Now?
I have Power of Now as well.
By
You read it?
Eckhart Tolle.
Eckhart Tolle. हाँ.
Huh?
मेरे पास भी है.
I have the practicing Power of Now as well.
So have you read it?
I have read Power of Now.
Oh, great. That was the book which my mom would carry by her bedside and read it like
This is
My
very
dad
what I
has
love.
gifted
Right
Bhag-
people.
this is one book, The Power of
Bhagavad Gita, like a Bhagavad Gita, she would just
Yes,
read.
my dad has gifted multiple souls this book.
So they
And I
could
was
resonate, it
asking
means.
Dad, कि Papa, why is it that you have read these books and you never told us that these are the powerful books? Why is it that after the age of 40 only, I
Hmm.
got to know about all these books and I'm buying them and I'm reading them, and then now
Mhm.
you are telling me, you know what, I have read this book as well. You know what? So the Eat That Frog book,
Amazing.
day before yesterday, I was at my mom's place and I took my laptop and the book along with me over there. And when the session was about to start, मैं वहाँ पे laptop वगैरह खोल के अपनी book लेके बैठ गई. And Papa is like, "Oh, you are reading this book? I have read this like I don't know multiple years ago. It is a very old book." I'm like,
Wow.
"Ha, I know it is an old book, but you never recommended this for me
Yeah.
to read it, you know." And he's like, I thought my kids don't read." I'm like,
Or they thought like you would like some other
Probably.
type of books.
Hmm.
Now Tuesdays with Mori also I had gifted last year to my sister-in-law, and Courage to be Disliked is being read by sister this moment. So I mean yeah, these days. So this is also all is just
अच्छा, आज का टेक अवे बताओ जल्दी से, बातें कर रहे
कभी
हैं.
बताओ. मैंने तो आप वाला लाइन लिख लिया है. Everybody wants love most
क्या
and they
बोला
get
था?
it. And they get it least. And एक और one liner बहुत अच्छा था which I just let I
मेरे को मुस्कान ने बोला था in the beginning of the session, wherein she said, "In challenges, I hear the whispers of the God," is something that I really loved. So, and एक और बात बोली है मुस्कान ने आज की सेशन में, कि love means letting them choose their own battles.
It is difficult, but it is most powerful thing we can do, because once we come them in their battles, now we block our blessings. And
let them choose
I
their
am saying,
battles plus choose my battles also wisely, I would say.
Yes.
है ना? Choose let them choose their battles. It is also about choosing my battles.
That is your self-love. You should choose in any case, no matter what is happening around. I always keep telling my friends as well, कि is this something that is going to take you towards your goal? क्यों चिक चिक कर रहे हो इसके लिए? No use. Choose your battles wisely.
Yes.
मैं
Don't
तो ऐसे
waste your
सोच रही
time.
हूँ मेरी तो लाइफ सॉल्व हो जाएगी पूरी।
Exactly. नहीं, आज मेरे पे एक मैसेज आया which I have shared with my family members, which said that if I stop being distracted by 90% of the things, I will be in the 1% of the people
Wow.
who are successful. एक बार पढ़ के बताती हूँ. That was also a very beautiful line.
टोटली आप sorted हो गए हो, you're not getting disturbed, and then you can carry on with what is your purpose and goal. You're not getting वो सब जो emotions हैं, hurt, criticism, this, that,
हाँ,
anger, fear.
you don't waste your energy on such things, ना.
हम्म
You will be like, यार ये बाद में देखते हैं इसको, अपना दिमाग पहले जहाँ पे जाना है उसकी तरफ लगा. मेरे को जाना है लंदन. अभी मैं यहाँ पे पड़ोस में जो झुगियां हैं उसके बारे में सोचती रहूंगी तो लंदन कहाँ पहुंचूंगी. So the quote that I'm talking about is, when your goals and dreams are worth more than meaningless distractions, welcome to the 1% club.
Amazing. This is my takeaway.
When your goals and dreams are worth more than meaningless distractions, welcome to 1% club. And when I read it, I was like, wow, this is beautiful.
When
And
your dreams and distractions, when your dreams,
we will write this in group after the
हाँ, मैं भेज ही देती हूँ.
yeah.
I'll share it in the book reading club. ये लो, भेज दिया.
Everyone wants so many things in their life,
Yes.
and they have so many goals. So
So many goals ना.
but
जब हम बुक पढ़ रहे हैं, उसके अंदर आज हमने पढ़ा ABCDE principle. That is, focus on only and only one activity. That is the biggest, ugliest frog for you. And you will see that तुम्हारा जो 80-20 ratio होता है ना, कि 20% of what you do is more than the 80% you want to do, will be accomplished. And you will be at a much better place. बुक पढ़ने आ नहीं रहे हो, 4:30 आना शुरू करो. You will enjoy that as well.
this was in that one. So I was thinking ये कब मिस कर दिया मैंने इसमें. Yeah. Right.
Chalo. All right, let's close this session here. Thank you, Muskan, for joining in.
Are we where are the recordings if
I'll share.
they would
I will share it with you personally because जिसको चाहिए नहीं है उसको क्यों दी जाए ना.
okay.
जिसको चाहिए उसको दी जाएगी.
हाँ, if someone is asking or if they are missing, right? Okay.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Muskan, for joining in and sharing such wisdom. Thank you,
Yeah.
Komal, for sharing and being here in this room.
Thank you.
And I am
thank you to you for opening this book reading club.
Arey, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Good
Yes,
night.
thank you
Take
to
care. Bye-bye.
Muskan. Thank you to Karishma for being enlightening my soul.
God bless you. Bye. Good night.
Yeah,
Sleep well.
lot of wisdom. Thank you.